Let's go. It's a new day, new opportunity. Let's see what the market has for us. Over here, I got US 30. Got a clean setup that I'm going to share with you guys on US 30. So I first opened up my charts and I saw a nice impulsive movement that we had on the previous day. As you can see, broke out of our previous day high, reaching for new heights, as you can see. So as you all know, once we have a new high, we do expect a retracement back down, and as you can see, it really broke up that high with a lot of impulse. So yeah, this is a 4-hour time frame. I see also that price visited the 70% level, broke above the 70% RSI level quite sometimes, a few times. As you can see over here, broke about 3 times, as you can see. So we do expect a retracement to at least the 50% of the RSI level, right? I moved down to my 1-hour time frame. What I also see that what price is overbought. It's the price line is above the 70% RSI level, and yeah, we can also expect a movement going down. So this is what I saw at that time. Right, then I moved on to a lower 5-minute time frame. Then would you look at that, a nice beautiful divergence, as you can see on the RSI, indicating that what the buyers are losing strength, right? The buyers are losing strength, so we can expect that retracement to happen anytime, right? So I just opened up my charts, I just zoomed in just to check later on, just to find more confirmation of entering, right? I could literally wait a little bit longer, but I was like, nah, it's looking all good. As you can see over there on the 15-minute time frame, it gives us a perfect divergence. Let me just show you guys. Just over there, gives us a perfect divergence right over there. As you can see, what a perfect divergence, right? As you can see, we have higher highs on the chart, and we have lower highs on the RSI indicator, right? Indicating that what the buyers are losing momentum, and we should see a drop earlier on, right? And as you can see there, I did enter a trade, risking about more than half of my account. I didn't use proper risk management here, but I was confident in the setup, so I took the risk of risking above half of my account, over leveraging a bit. But yeah, it was a trade, a setup that I had a lot of potential, so I did enter there. Those are my levels, stop loss behind that high. That's a perfect, just to get a nice 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio setup. As you can see there, I entered 1. I'm just gonna try, at least if this trade plays out, I'm gonna have over 100% of what I started with, and if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna lose half of the account. And yeah, it's okay, I'm willing to risk it. But yeah, this is the setup. Lower time frame, this is how it's looking. I come back, and some time later I see that price did give us some push down, created another lower high, right? And it's currently giving us a push down. Then what I told myself over here is that once price breaks below this low over there, I am going to put my stop loss on break even, but only if it breaks that low with high momentum, right? This low, just let me show you. If it just breaks this low over there with high momentum, I was going to put my stop loss at break even, and yeah, let the trade play out. And I come back to the charts, and this is how it's looking. We're about 20% of the account, and this is how it's looking. Just waiting for New York Open to see whether we want to get a stop loss hit or anything. New York Open comes, and yeah, this is how it's looking. At this point, market did look like it's going straight for a stop loss. As you can see, there was a lot of impulse, a big impulse movement to the upside. And yeah, at this point I was certain that we might as well just hit stop loss just before we see the down movement, right? And yeah, started moving down. I got happy, just happy. We are 40% up our account. At this point I wanted to put break even, but I saw that now there's still some chance that the market can go up and stop me out for no reason, so I just continue to hold. Come back to the charts, and wow, that was close. As you can see there, we were almost tapped out. We're just left with a couple of pips to get tapped out. So after a year, I was confident that it is still gonna go down since we have that huge rejection to the upside. And I added one position, as you can see over there, with the same stop loss. So I was confident that this trade was actually going to melt down. The market is actually going to melt down. So I took the initial first trade, extended my TP, and waited for TP1 for the second trade to get hit, so I could put my position at break even for the initial trade, the first setup that I took, Then yeah, this is how it's looking. Moments after, we see a TP hit. For one, at least got about 19% of profits on my account. So I then decided to put break even over there and just wait for TP to get smashed. Come back moments later, then I realized that the market is actually retracing and I might get stopped out at break even. So I then just shortened my TP. Just in case. So then booms, as TP hit. That was another TP hit. W trade. We are up about 150% of our account, up by 150%. Just one setup, clean retracement, and what a setup. And I ended up breaking one of my rules, and I decided to enter again as I saw the market had potential to shoot down even more. So I did enter a couple of positions. So the reason why I entered was because I saw that the market created a lower high over here in the 5-minute time frame, and it still has potential to go down, create more lower highs. And so I decided to risk a little bit more, enter 3 positions, and like that we took 1,000 rand to about 8k. So right here I saw that price has just tapped our 30% RSI, then decided to close. And like that, this is how we took our account up by 850% on a single setup. Let's go. And thank you for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please do make sure you click that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please press that subscribe button. What you waiting for? And turn on the notification bells to get notified every time I post, of which I'm gonna be posting regularly every week. And as for me, that's it. See you guys in the next video. Let's go.